should follow the road that passes through the park, Maison Falls, Bulisa, Oima, Chiboga to Kampala. And another route that moved direct from Pakwach to Masindi. That road was blocked by the minister, and the directive was given that if you want to follow that route, you must pay. Right, Honorable Speaker, when I was there yesterday in the morning, buses are paying 210,000 and all the passengers are supposed to pay 25,000 shillings each. Taxis are paying 40,000 shillings. All the passengers are paying 25,000 shillings each. And all vehicles, like my car that I was traveling in, I paid 40,000 shillings plus 25,000 shillings for my personal movement. Right, Honorable Speaker, now the bus owners, the business community in northern Uganda are not happy, and the community of northern Uganda are not happy at all, right, Honorable Speaker. You have to put high amount of money, and when you reach the gate, you have to pay 25,000 shillings on top of the money you are paying. Right now, the transport from Kitgum, Gulu to Kampala is now going to 125,000 shillings. It used to be 30,000 and 40,000.
Prayers, Honorable.
Right, our Speaker, our prayer is that the minister in charge of tourism should allow vehicle passed from Maison Falls to Masindi free of charge without payment. Right, our Speaker, the minister gave the deadline from now until when the work in Karuma is done. Second prayers is that, right, our Speaker, the Minister of Works should allow the Sino Bridge at Karuma to be open for the small cars.
That is Olanya Gilbert, the Acholi Stallion, I prefer to call, who took the issue of Karuma Bridge closer to the parliament. What is frustrating Gilbert Olanya and most of the Acholi people is the continuous extension of the closure, where he says it is happening as if we are in 2020 COVID-19 lockdown, which the government kept on saying we are closing for 20 days. Then again, when the 20 days elapses, also closes again for another 14 days, then 30 days, then 1 month, like that. So that's what is frustrating to Olanya, where he said there is need for another bridge to be open so that people can use it, and also the 3 months closure should be strict. It should no longer be extended. In other words, Gilbert Olanya is emphasizing that the people who have been contracted, or the contractors, should adhere to their timeline, to the time frame which they have declared to the public for reopening Karuma Bridge, as this issue is biting seriously and already becoming viral. As I said earlier on, many people are already talking about it, that maybe the closure of Karuma Bridge and also the collapse of the bridge is a reminder to the people of Northern Uganda that Niger Republic is what they needed. So, as the issue continue to brew, all the development will be unraveled here in Acholi ITV. Stay subscribed. Thank you.